I'm back here at Loke again. So this time I'm going to try something else. Their specialty. They have a few specialties in this shop. So let's go. If you missed my first video on them, right? They are located in Taman Pinggir Jaya. So this coffee shop is around 50 years old and they serve a lot of local delights. Okay? So they're very famous among the locals here. Let's come and go and have a look. There are a lot of people today. Oh. So we are seeing Yong again today. But this time I showed you the Asam pedas fish, right? This is really good. And then with the sweet potato dish today. But today I came to try something new. This is the braise pork. Usually served with rice, but we choose to separate it so we can share lah. Braise pork, and this is also their specialty. The boss is very proud of his curry chicken. So let's try the curry chicken. Let's try the food today. Okay, coffee is a must-have. You can customize your coffee here, don't forget. So you start with the braised pork first. This is the braised pork. So I'm going to put some bean curd and also egg, braised egg. Okay. Braised pork, bean curd, egg, and also white rice. Okay. Braised pork is good. Everything here is good actually. So the braised pork, right, if you want to order, you can actually say less fat if you want. But here they gave us the standard one, and there we add the sauce to the rice. Chicken curry. I got this chicken here, chicken curry, and also, so let's try the chicken curry. Chicken curry. This curry, you know what's the best? You just take the bread, dip into the curry and eat. That's it. The curry is that good. I also like roti jala. Roti jala pick the curry. That's good. Very good. White rice, chicken curry. The curry is so good that I don't need the chicken. I can just take the curry like that. That's it. It's really good. This is my second helping of rice. Drenched in the white rice. That's it. Like this, you can eat already. Very good. Next up, Asam pedas fish. So I put a little bit of fish here and Asam pedas. The Asam pedas is really sour. Usually when I eat Asam pedas it's like a bit spicy, but this one then really nicely sour. Yeah. So today I tried few different other stuff. The Hainanese braised pork, the curry chicken, and also again the Asam pedas. Asam pedas is really must try. It's very good. Okay. And I love the coffee here, black coffee. I love the black coffee here. So next time, if you are around the corner, Yong is located in Taman Pinggir Jaya. Come and try their stuff here. Alright? You will not regret it. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.